In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to a size on stocks. If you've ever browsed StockX and seen sizes listed in UK, EU, or centimeters, switching to US sizing makes comparison and checkout much simpler. I'll walk you through exactly where to click so your size appears in the familiar US format when you're getting ready to buy. To begin, open your browser and head to StockX.com. You'll land on the home page where you can explore sneakers, apparel, and more. This works the same on desktop and mobile web, so use whichever is most convenient for you. Next, pick the item you want to buy. You can use the search bar at the top to find a specific model or scroll through the featured sections until something catches your eye. Once you're on the product page, you'll see images, recent sales data, and size options. This is the page where you'll control how sizes are displayed. When you're ready to proceed, click Buy Now. This takes you into the purchase flow and pulls up the size selector. Don't worry, clicking Buy Now here doesn't finalize anything. It simply opens the panel where you choose your size and confirm the details. From the size selector, look for the size system toggle. You'll typically see labels like US, UK, EU, or CM above or alongside the size options. Click on US. As soon as you do, the size buttons will refresh to show US measurements, like US men's or US women's sizes, depending on the product. If it already says US, you're set. Just leave it as is. If you notice categories like GS, PS, or women's, that's normal. Those indicate grade school, preschool, or women's sizing, but the US label ensures the numbers you see are in the US system for that category. A couple of quick tips to keep things clear. If you're switching from UK or EU, remember that the numerical values will change to reflect US conversions, so double check the new number before continuing. You can also glance for a size chart link on many product pages if you want to verify the conversion at a glance. And keep in mind that switching to US here is specifically for choosing your size on this item. It doesn't lock your account into any permanent size system. That's all there is to it. Go to StockX, choose your item, click Buy Now, and then click US in the size selector. With your size now in US format, you're ready to continue your purchase